Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Eliza Bethell's Tales. Today's story will teach us why persistence, patience, and discipline are the keys to success. Stay with us till the end. You will also learn some new English words. In a quiet mountain village lived a young man named Arav. Arav disliked hard work, while others worked in the fields, carried water, or opened their shops. Arav sat lazily by the river. He dreamed of becoming rich without effort. "Why should I work so hard?" Arav muttered. "One day, fortune will come to me." Villagers often shook their heads. They whispered, "What a waste! He is strong and healthy, but so lazy." Arav ignored them and continued daydreaming. One hot afternoon, Arav saw an old stone cutter. The man was striking a gigantic rock with his hammer. Bang! Bang! The sound echoed across the valley. Arav laughed loudly. "Old man, you're wasting your time. Your tiny hammer can never break that rock." The stone cutter said nothing. He kept striking. Hours passed. The old man struck the rock again and again, once, twice, 50 times, even 100 times. The rock did not move. Arav smirked. "See, I was right," he said. But suddenly, on the 101st strike, the rock split wide open. Crack! Arav's eyes grew wide with shock. The stonecutter smiled. "Young man," he said, "it was not the last strike that broke the rock. It was all the strikes before it." Success works the same way. It comes through persistence, even when results are not visible. For the first time, Arav listened carefully. His heart was touched by wisdom. That night, Arav lay awake, thinking about the stonecutter's words. He whispered, "If I strike at my life every day, one effort at a time, I can shape my destiny." From the next morning, Arav changed. He worked in the fields with his father. He studied every day. He built new habits. Weeks turned into months. Soon, Arav became known as a hard-working young man. Friends, great achievements are not built in a single day. They are the result of persistence, discipline, and patience. Now let's learn some new words from the story. Persistence, continuing despite difficulties. Mock, to laugh at someone in an unkind way. Gigantic, extremely large. Destiny, what happens in your future. Discipline, controlled behavior. Remember, success comes one step at a time. Keep listening, learning, and growing with Eliza Bethell's Tales.